Skarek coming off a shutout victory on Wednesday, or on the 20th of October against Hartford, I should say. He's right back out in front. Cadet was taken down. Puck comes back to Newpower right side for a wrist shot. He scores. Wyatt Newpower. Where the record is sitting right now. Alexandrov with it in the right wing corner. He centers one out front. Dvorsky, a backhand. He scores! Left wing board sends it all the way across. Jeffries backhand front. They score. A perfect tic-tac-toe passing play. Karlstrom finishes. T-Birds pushing the issue much better in the last minute than they've had for really the entire night. But Pino getting around the defense, gets in and scores! But gave it away. Pino looking to center. Terry lurking in front. Puck is free. George fires and scores. Springfield will be 3-6 heading into game number 10 of their season tomorrow night against a Lehigh Valley team that was off tonight. Peterson into the right wing corner, and behind for Callan. This game comes to an end. Jakob Skarek and the Islanders.